Toastmasters and future Toastmasters, welcome to the Adobe Fontificators Toastmasters event. My name is Michael Leeden. I'm the president of the club and the chairperson for this open house.
And at some point, I just couldn't take it anymore, so I moved out. A lot of the kids these days, especially the millennials, you want to live with your parents forever. Me, I moved out the second I turned 18. And again, when I was 25, 29.
I'm hearing about New Year's resolution. I'm hearing about fitness. So I've actually had a New Year's resolution, and I don't want to brag, but I've been doing pretty good. And on Monday, I got up at 5 a.m. and I went to the gym. Yeah. Cancel my membership. I'm saving money in 2024. I don't use wasted money on stuff I'm not gonna do.
Well, Daniel, or shall I call you Mr. Sharp? Which do you prefer?
Sharp.
Sharp. Okay. Mr. Sharp, how did you get interested in your subject of expertise, marketing porcupines?
Growing animals.
In?
My childhood
Faucet?
was funky,
Is that in?
informative.
Oh, very good.
What does that mean? Don't let my dreams be dreams. So my goals that I have, they can be dreams, something that I want to do eventually. But if I keep them there, they're always going to be something I want to do eventually. But if I bring them here today and make it a concrete goal that I want to do, it can actually happen. And all of you today have taken that first step of making your dreams a reality. You've seen the posters, you've seen the elevator advertisements, you've seen the Slack messages, and you've come here today to begin working on your goal of being a better public speaker, being able to think on your feet. So thank you. You're already off to a great start. And if your goal was to get food, I hope you got some.
For the next 45 minutes, our instructor asks us to bend, twist, turn, think wide, and morphs us into a human pretzel. My instructor says, get up straight, raise your right leg, hold the right leg in your arms, and place your right leg behind your head and feel connected to your body. Who here thinks your leg will still stay connected to your body if I tried that?
What is Pathways? Pathways is the online learning program that I was talking to you about. So there is an online structure. There are 5 key core competencies that you will see, which are these, the 5 core competencies. Of course, there is public speaking, interpersonal communication, strategic leadership, management, and confidence.
And I'm finding out that I'm at the age where it's expected of me to settle down and start a family. Right now, I have 3 women chasing after me to get married. My mom, my aunt, my grandma. And my mom keeps telling me, son, you need to settle down. Don't you want to have kids one day? Mom, I would love to have a kid one day. 2 days tops.
You can start where you are and win. Some of you didn't start out in the lead in life. Maybe you weren't born in the best neighborhood. Maybe you weren't the favorite in your family. Maybe you weren't voted most likely to succeed, but you can still win.